Okay, one very cleaned out chook cage and reloaded into a garden bed after I removed all these, which are sweet potato. There's one I've broken. You can see that actually purple inside. That's not too bad of a harvest from one small bed. Yeah, hopefully get a second harvest in here of something. I haven't undecided what as yet. The days are getting fairly hot here, so it's going to have to be something that's very, very heat tolerant. As you can see, it's been burning my corn, even though I have a lot of heads on there that are almost ready. It's still struggling in the heat, even though these beds are very well watered. And down this way we have some very, very happy chooks. There's some nice fresh straw. So thanks for the compost, guys. Hopefully grow a heap of veggies. Yes, not for you.